Morning, guys. We're going to start the day off with a unboxing. This is something I got on eBay. It was about $100 shipped. And so let's just get right into it. Well packaged. Oh no, please, no styrofoam. Styrofoam. Stand by. See if I can get this out of here without too much of the styrofoam coming out. Show you. It's a used air dryer. It's the newer version. This one looked a little dirty and was kind of beat up. See, some of the wires are fraying on the heater on it and whatnot. So, yes, Blu-ray. But look, I got a brand new one. Got this off of eBay for about $80 shipped. But it doesn't have the canister on the top, so I needed some of the parts off this one to make this one work. So what I'm going to do is do a little bit of part swap in here and get the unit complete, and then we'll go from there. Go. One Haldex Purest for less than $200. Bottom component is brand new, but it's got a used filter carriage or cartridge carriage on it. I'll eventually order a new filter for it, but for now I want to just figure out a way to get this set up and mounted, which may be a challenge because if you look at the truck, let me grab a light. If you look at the truck out here, the way I have my box set up, I may have to do a drop bracket or something underneath the filter. I don't know what I'm up against here, but see that? I don't know exactly how much room is back there, but by golly, we're going to find out. It might be the same size, I'm not sure. So the next thing I gotta do is get under the truck here and figure this out, get that old one off. got it down. It looks like there's going to be enough room. It might be touching the back of the box, but it looks like there should be enough room. So I'm going to keep moving forward. Taking a lot longer than I thought it would. Everything's gonna fit, but I need to get some straight fittings for these because you can't thread them in all the way. They just bottom out and hit things. The other thing too is that you need, for the control right here, you need a reducer. So a 1/4 to 1/8 reducer. So I'm gonna bring these fittings and this over to Napa, see if they can give me some fittings that'll work. But I mean, it's gonna fit in there just fine. I had it bolted up in place and it fit just fine. It's just a pain in the ass to move stuff around. So, yeah, I'm gonna head over to Napa. Here goes nothing. This ought to be entertaining. Well, let's see how bad they got me for today. $32.67 for 3 fittings. So, I bought 2 straights. I probably only use one, but it's good to have a spare. Those are 5/8, and then instead of the 1/8, they gave me a 1/4 to 1/4. So instead of having that little guy for the control, just upsize it a bit to fit in the side for the control on the Haldex Purest. Heading back home to get this reinstalled. All I did is rotate it 90 degrees and put a couple brackets on the side of it. I don't know if you'll be able to see them. Yep, and some grade 8 hardware, grade 8 brackets, grade 8 hardware. A lot of people in the forums, I don't know why, they talk about having to cut the plug off this and put a different one on. This one worked out perfect. Everything, maybe it's because it's for an LMTV. Everything worked out the way it's supposed to. Here's that fitting that I was talking about. Came real close to the box, but it's quarter to quarter, a quarter-inch DOT airline to quarter-inch MPT. And then I just replaced the fitting on this side because I had to cut the airline shorter. So it's one straight sweep. Let's fire up the truck and see how bad this thing leaks. This is one of my favorite mods. I want to get under there and see if that heater, because there's a heater on these newer ones, I want to see if that actually gets warm. I'd be really amazed if it actually gets warm. So let's get under there and see if it's leaking first. No leaks. Not yet, anyway. Looks like everything's sealed up good when I put it together, so that's a good thing. I don't see or hear, I don't hear or see any other leaks under here, so. You'll never guess what my ding-dong self did. I reversed the lines. So, if you guys get one of these, this one on the side is your inlet. These are labeled on here too, by the way. And then this is going to your tank right here. But I had these reversed, so it was trying to go into the outlet, and of course it's blocked because it's got a control valve in there. So let's try this again, because I wasn't getting any pressure to the tank. Let's see if they start filling up now. Imagine that. I guess it helps when your lines aren't reversed and you're not being a ding-dong. I certainly amaze myself sometimes at the mistakes that I make, but I guess that's how we all learn. If you didn't make mistakes, you'd never learn, right? And yeah, I had my hand on this when the truck is running. I think it's warm. So I guess that's to help prevent your lines freezing. This probably isn't the best camera mount or angle, but let's give it a shot. Let's do a celebratory drive to go get some diesel. It's only a few blocks away, so maybe the phone will fall down out of the holder there. That would be kind of fun. I love driving this truck. This will be its first drive with its new exoskeleton and the air dryer. Let's see what happens here. We'll go down to the gas station. Get out the way, people. I'm coming out. biodiesel, and I always get all my fuel at this gas station, and the owner loves me, so I really enjoy going there. Get out of the way, people! Get out of the way! $2.64 a gallon for biodiesel. Yeah, buddy. The steward from my job site was out there, so I was talking to him for a bit. Let's head on home. Top this baby off all the way to the top of the filling cap. guys, that's going to be it for this episode. As always, if you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, hit like, and subscribe. Ring the bell if you want to see more episodes. And as always, have a great rest of your day and take care. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.